Hello YouTube, this is Ryan here for the Spark Tech channel. First off, I'd like to say sorry for being inactive for so long. I had a lot of college work to do, but we had like a period where we had quite a few big assignments put on us. It was kind of deliberately done, but that's kind of over now, and it'll be just back to normal assignments, and they also won't be piled on as quick. We just had to, it's just something the college decided to do. But still, I'm back, and today I've got a video on, lots of people have been commenting on my video on how to fix Cydia, and a lot of people saying it didn't work, and there's lots of reasons why it couldn't have worked, and it could take quite a while for you to diagnose your problem. Like I said, it's probably better just to restore, but one of the problems could be, I don't know, it might be something to do about Cydia, and a lot of people don't know that there's an unofficial update that fixes a lot of things with Cydia that Zurich hasn't yet released. One of the problems is where it conflicts with Themit, which you never know could be your problem. I know I had that problem, and I have since updated it. So what you're going to need to do, you will need iFile for this method. I think there is an alternative method that I will be searching into, and I will put a link on the screen somewhere, and that will link to the alternative method. But for now, we're going to go for the iFile route. So if you don't have iFile because your Cydia isn't letting you download it, or if you didn't have it already for some reason, but for those of you that do have iFile, then this is the method for you. Simply go to Safari, and then you need to search on Google Cydia 1.0.3366.7, and scroll down until you see some kind of file hosting service. Here we go, we've got a Mediafire one. So just click this, wait for the page to load up, wait for it to process your download. Right, click download, and it should take you to a page. Oh, that's an advert. Close the advert. Go back into here. Right, so there we go, and this is like an iFile page where iFile realizes that you're trying to download something, and it will let you open in iFile. So do that. And for now, it's in your temporary folder, but you could move it to somewhere else if you want to keep it for future use, or you could just download it again. And then you just simply click it. You click Installer, and it literally takes no time whatsoever. Yep, finish with result code 0. That's what you want to get. That means there's been no errors. And simply go to Cydia. And to check that you are on the latest version, I'll cancel these updates, I don't really need them. Just scroll down, and it will say Cydia 1.0.3366.7. And yeah, so hopefully that will fix your errors. I know it most definitely fixes the problems with Themit, because it literally just used to crash out Cydia straight away as soon as I went to changes or looked at my packages and stuff like that. But you never know, it could fix some of your other problems. I'm going to be looking for an alternative to doing this method, and I'm also, as I've had so many comments on it not working, my previous thing, because like my previous video, it does work, but it's just for obviously a different kind of error. So I'm going to be looking around on some websites to see what other errors / fixes there are, and as soon as I find one which seems to sound like the one that the majority of people are having at the moment, I will post a video. And yeah, that's about it for today. Rate, comment, and subscribe.
Motherfucker! The fuck was that? Ninja. Oh, yeah.